First, unplug your grinder. Then, remove the dust tray. Change the convertible device holder position by rotating the right arm and then removing the rubber sleeves. Raise the portafilter hook without removing it. On the Sette 30, you will need a box cutter to slice and remove the silicone dip. Once removed, install the arms in the ground spin position. Align the arms to the AeroPress holder and slide it on. When using the 270 Wi, make sure to slide gently to avoid damaging the scale. Test the position of your AeroPress and grind away. Happy grinding!